In this video I'm showing how to adjust the headlights on a 2024 Honda Prologue. Based on what I've seen online, it seems to be a common complaint that this car comes from the factory with the headlights aimed just a bit too high. This has been my experience as well, and at nighttime I often have other drivers flash their lights at me because they assume I'm driving around with my high beams on. Fortunately, aiming the headlights on this car is very simple, so I'll jump right into it now. To begin, you just need a wall with a decent amount of level pavement. Pull the car up as close as you can to the wall. Then use some tape to mark off the top of where the headlights hit on both sides. Then reverse directly backwards so that you leave about 25 feet between the front of the car and the wall. The height of the headlights should be under the tape. You can see here that mine bleed just a little bit above it, so I'm going to adjust them down just a smidge. To do that, just open up the driver's side door and pop the hood. The adjustment screws for the headlights are these little cone-shaped guys right here and here. It's pretty simple, just turn the screwdriver to the right to aim the lights lower, or turn it to the left to aim them higher. In my case, I'm aiming mine just below the tape, and I'll continue to watch for other drivers' reactions at nighttime to see if I need to adjust them a little bit more. Anyhow, that's pretty much all there is to it. Hit like if this helped you out, and thanks for watching.